Hi everyone, I'm Vector and this is my 2D action game, The Tale of LUMI. And today I'll go over how I'm handling parallax on my game and how the lazy solution is working better. The lack of perspective in 2D games sometimes can be problematic, especially when trying to convey a certain type of environment. The reason for that is because usually we use an orthographic camera, meaning that the camera does not take into consideration depth. Okay, so if this is a 2D game, then what's the problem? Well, in some cases we want to give a sense of depth anyways, even in 2D games. It's a way of immersing the player into the world we craft. And I will show you the difference it makes with my own game. There are a few approaches to this, and I pretty much tried everything before settling on the solution that I'm currently using. The first solution was to move the objects in the background with the camera, and we give some sort of value to calculate how far from the camera the object really is. This can either be the Z position or the sorting order or even a custom value that we can set ourselves. I basically implemented 3 variations in my game and they were all very difficult to set up. And the results were not that great. The main issue was that there was a considerable amount of manual setup to work properly. And also, in some cases it would look very strange and there were a ton of edge cases. So it felt like unnecessary work. So me and my lazy brain decided on the next best thing. Just setting the camera to perspective and placing the objects accordingly. And that worked a lot better, and I mean a lot better. Just see for yourself. You might say, well, you still have to position the objects and set the sorting layers as well, so the workload is the same. And to that I say, fear not, as my lazy brain came up with this tiny script that auto sorts all background and foreground elements as I position them into the scene. So a better looking result with an easier to use workflow, I'll take that anytime. But let me know what you guys think. And by the way, if you like the game you're seeing on the screen, please consider wishlisting on Steam. Anyways, I hope you liked the video and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.